the list of reports screen. Say you want to know your total sales and purchases till June 2021. Simply tap on Profit and Loss account to check for these values. But you prefer the horizontal view of the P&L. You can simply tilt the screen and you get a much more convenient horizontal view for this report. As you can see, this is a much nicer and friendlier experience to see your data on the move. You may also want to share your balance sheet with your business partner. Simply tap on the report title, select balance sheet, and now you can choose to download this as a PDF which you can share immediately. Looking at the daybook on a phone is not easy. Let's see how our new experience helps in this case. Simply tap on the report title and select daybook. Your daybook opens with clear information and you can just click the right or left arrows to change the dates. This is as convenient as analyzing your transactions. You may have received a call from a customer who wants to place an order for a laptop, for which you want to check your stock. Tap on the report title again, type in stock query and select the laptop you want to check the stock balance for. Even the most complex reports have been made easy to use and easy to read. We can't wait for you to try this new reporting experience and feel its power. Taking our connected capabilities to the next level, we have something very special for our GST registered customers in India. The new release brings with it a connected e-waybill experience, the way it should be done. Connected, compliant, and complete. Let us take a look. While creation of a sales transaction, towards the end, you will see an option to provide GST or e-waybill details. Once you set this to yes, you can enter the information needed to generate your e-waybill. Dispatch form and ship to will be pre-filled based on your company and party details. The distance is also pre-filled as the system has the intelligence based on the previous transaction you did with the same party. After filling the details, press Ctrl A to save and you will get a confirmation screen for the e-waybill generation. Say yes and then the e-waybill login screen appears in case you have not yet logged in. Once you log in, you will remain logged in for the next 6 hours provided you do not turn off your system. Tally Prime exchanges information with the e-waybill portal and once done, you get a confirmation message. Now, you can preview the invoice with the e-waybill details and the generated e-waybill with all relevant details and QR code. We understand that while managing e-waybills, you will be faced with diverse set of scenarios like cancelling an e-waybill, adding a Part B later, or extending the validity of the e-waybill. The product completely adapts to all such cases in the entire life cycle of the e-waybill, giving you complete peace of mind. Let us take a look. Our e-waybill report that you can open from GoTo gives you one single place to manage this life cycle of all your e-waybills. Once you open the report, you will see your e-waybills nicely categorized based on their status, making it easier to take any action. The report will tell you if any of your e-waybill transactions have problems with the GST related information or with the e-waybill related information. If you tried to generate an e-waybill but for whatever reason it was rejected by the portal, you will be able to track this easily. Or if there are some transactions that are pending to be uploaded to the e-waybill portal, you will also find them here. In addition, you will be able to see all your generated e-waybills and also cancelled e-waybills. And even if there are e-waybills related transactions, but you chose to exclude them for some reason, will be shown here as well. Now let's see how can you take appropriate actions from here. Let us say Instead of using Tally Prime to generate your e-way bill, you directly use the portal for the same. All you need to do is press spacebar to select the transaction and press F6 or click on Get e-way bill info. The latest e-way bill information gets updated in the transaction just like that. All your reports will also now reflect the same. You may also need to cancel a generated e-way bill because, let's say, the consignment got cancelled. In the same report, you can drill down to the appropriate section, simply select the transaction and press F10 or click